Hey everyone, welcome back to TechEGadget. If you're passionate about home theater, audio tech, or smart gear that upgrades your entertainment setup, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into a brand new release for 2024, the VIZIO 5.1 ELEVATE SE soundbar system, model SL512X-08. This soundbar packs in Dolby Atmos DTS, a wireless subwoofer, Bluetooth, and VIZIO's unique quick-fit compatibility, all at a very competitive price point. Whether you're looking to enhance your movie nights or finally make that spare room sound like a theater, stay tuned as we break it all down in detail. The VIZIO 5.1.2 ELEVATE SE is a complete surround sound system designed for users who want immersive, cinematic audio without dealing with the complexity of traditional AV receivers. It features a 5.1, 2-channel setup with a sleek soundbar, 2 satellite speakers, and a powerful wireless subwoofer. Right out of the box, the build quality feels premium. The combination of woven fabric, metallic accents, and side-firing rotating speakers gives it a stylish and modern appearance. The Quick Fit feature lets you mount the soundbar directly to compatible VIZIO TVs with no tools required, using only the included thumb screws. This results in a clean, integrated setup that blends well into any living room. This system truly stands out when it comes to audio performance. With support for both Dolby Atmos and DTS, the ELEVATE SE creates a rich, immersive soundscape. When it detects Atmos or DTS content, the side speakers automatically rotate upward to bounce sound off the ceiling, adding a vertical dimension to the audio. This makes action scenes in movies and expansive game environments feel far more lifelike. The system delivers a total output of 185 watts. And while that number might not seem overwhelming on paper, the real-world performance is impressive. The subwoofer packs a punch, and the clarity of dialogue and surround effects make this system an excellent choice for cinematic immersion. Setting up the VIZIO ELEVATE SE is incredibly straightforward. Plug in the soundbar, position the wireless subwoofer and satellite speakers, and connect your TV using the HDMI ERC port. The HDMI EARC connection allows high-quality audio transfer and also lets you control the soundbar with your TV remote. However, it is important to mention that this soundbar does not include a physical remote control. Instead, VIZIO encourages users to download their mobile app, which offers full control of the system's features. The lack of a remote may be an issue for some, but if you're comfortable using a smartphone for controls, the app delivers strong functionality. The VIZIO mobile app gives you access to a range of customization options, including EQ adjustments, sound modes, speaker levels, and firmware updates. Many users find the app to be intuitive and responsive, although some report occasional Bluetooth disconnections or lag. These are generally short-lived, and the app typically reconnects quickly. In terms of connectivity, the ELEVATE SE offers an HDMI EARC input, a USB port, and Bluetooth support. There is no built-in Wi-Fi, which limits the streaming options to Bluetooth only. While this may be a limitation for users looking for Chromecast or network streaming, the available options are sufficient for most casual users and home theater setups. Looking at real user reviews provides even more insight. One buyer, who picked up the system during a Prime Day deal, was impressed by how well it filled a medium-sized room. They noted that the subwoofer hits hard, and the soundbar and satellite speakers are capable of producing loud, clear audio. While they did miss having more connectivity options and a remote, they were very satisfied with the app experience and overall performance. Another reviewer paid just over $300 for the 2024 version and felt they received incredible value. They praised the setup process, the power of the bass, and the rotating side speakers, calling them essential for achieving full immersion. They also compared the ELEVATE SE to soundbars from Samsung, Bose, and LG, and concluded that this system provided the best combination of clarity and immersion for the price. This system is especially suited for users who want the full home theater experience without diving into complex setups or spending a fortune. It works well for apartments, bedrooms, or secondary TVs, and is also ideal for anyone looking for plug-and-play functionality with serious performance. If you are someone who enjoys tweaking sound profiles through an app and prefers a minimalistic design with limited cables and clutter, the ELEVATE SE checks a lot of boxes. On the other hand, if you rely heavily on streaming music through Wi-Fi or need multiple input options, you may want to explore more advanced systems. To sum things up, the pros of the VIZIO ELEVATE SE include excellent Dolby Atmos and DTS performance, strong bass response, premium build design, an easy setup process, and a highly capable mobile app for customization. The main cons are the lack of a physical remote, no Wi-Fi connectivity, limited input ports, and the occasional Bluetooth issue. Despite these trade-offs, the audio quality and ease of use make this system a top contender in its price range. The VIZIO 5.1.2 ELEVATE SE is one of the best value-oriented soundbar systems available in 2024. It focuses on delivering exceptional surround sound and immersive audio performance without overcomplicating the experience. While it skips a few advanced features like Wi-Fi or expanded I/O options, it makes up for it with adaptive height speakers, strong app control, and very impressive sound quality. If you want cinematic audio on a budget and can handle using a mobile app as your remote, this system is well worth your consideration. That wraps up our full review of the VIZIO 5.1.2 ELEVATE SE soundbar system. What are your thoughts on it? Would you consider it for your living room or a second setup? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to TechEGadget for more in-depth reviews and tech insights. Tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.